Hi! In front of me is CAT S53 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, go into Devices Settings and tap on Display section. In it, you need to select Advanced, scroll down just a bit and tap on Font Size. Lastly, swipe left or right on this slider in order to adjust it and watch preview above. When you're ready, just click on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!